Uh, I'm very happy to have Clover Health Insurance this year because Get Set Up has been one of the benefits. I have enjoyed being able to take classes in my own home, not having to get in the car and find a parking spot, drive in traffic. I have a wide variety of classes to attend. I have even attended classes while laying in bed, looking at my phone. So, and I've even taken classes at 11 o'clock at night in my living room, in my pajamas. And it has just been totally enjoyable to be able to learn something from my home and ask questions of the teacher and still feel like I'm really getting something out of it. And each day that I learn a little bit more, I feel a little more cheerful.